Mamacita, welcome back to my channel. And you guys, I am so excited because I finally received my Hiit box. I have been waiting due to this whole pandemic situation. We had a delay on our shipments to receive the Hiit box, and finally I can say it's here, and I want to open it for you all to see what I received. And for those of you who are into fitness, whether it be heading to the gym, just kind of going out, going for runs, walking, what have you, any sort of physical activity to keep yourself active and in shape, this box is for you. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with Hiit, I have done a couple reviews on this box and I absolutely love it. If you're interested in checking out Hiit for yourself, I will leave a link for you to check out. It is $49 a month. However, if you click on my link, you can get $5 off your first box. So that is a super awesome deal. And you can try it out. You can cancel anytime. It's completely up to you, whatever you feel comfortable with. And so this box is my third or fourth box. I don't remember exactly. But it is one of my favorite boxes because I'm a huge fitness fanatic. I love working out daily, and there's always something in here that I can use to improve myself, to try different things. Yeah, so let's do this. Let's go with this. Let's open it. Let's do some Hiit. Woo! Yeah. So here we go with the unboxing of Hiit. Let's do this. All right. So Hiit stands for high intensity interval training, and I incorporate a lot of these different types of exercises into my workout, and I love them. I absolutely love them because you don't have to be working out for hours at a time to get a good, productive workout in. In fact, a lot of times these high intensity workouts are 20 minutes, 30 minutes at most, maybe. You can always, tailor it to your time frame, what you have available, the different pieces of equipment that you have. There's all kinds of different workouts out there that can fit what you are looking for. And that's what I love about Hiit. You can focus on a full body workout. You can focus on arm day, leg day, that kind of thing. And it is a very effective way to get that heart rate going and to burn body fats and to feel like you've actually accomplished a good workout with a very good sweat, which I love. So here we go with the Hiit box. Commit, sweat, Hiit, your routine delivered. Let's see what's inside. Let's open it up. Ta-da! All right, so it always comes with a postcard that shows you what is included in your box for the month. And this box is called Your Hiit Box, and it has 6 different items. And it always has a great value to it. And that's what I love about these subscription boxes, is that the value is always a lot higher than what you're actually paying. So it makes it so worth it. Okay, so in this month's box, let's take a look. Take a little look. Fun. Okay, the first item is in this little black baggy thing. I'm not sure what it is. Let's open it and see. Oh, this is super cool. It is called the Maji, M-A-J-I Sports Trigger Point Ball. This is $25. It helps relieve knots in your muscles that are also known as trigger points. Oh, this is awesome. I do not have one of these, but you can use it on any of your sore muscles, kind of roll them out, stretches out the muscles and helps, alleviate some of that pain. I am going to use this because I have like a bad neck problem, and I have a lot of tension in my neck a lot of times. That's where I carry my stress, is up in my shoulders and my neck. And so this is going to be awesome for me to use. Again, it's a Maji Sports trigger point ball, and it is awesome for stretching and rolling out muscles. So $25 value right there. Next up, we have a Raze Energy Zero Sugar Limited Edition. This looks like a very festive 4th of July type energy drink. No sugar, no crash. It has electrolytes. It looks like it says BCAA aminos. Consume 1 can of Raze Energy 20 to 30 minutes before your exercise and or just life in general. So these are always fun to try. I love electrolytes and trying different energy drinks, especially ones that do not have a lot of caffeine in them, because I don't need it. I don't need that extra heart rate accelerated drink. I like the ones that just give you that recovery, that help improve your hydration after a workout. So this is great. I can't wait to try that. That is a $2 value on that. Next up, we have a Power Crunch Protein Energy Bar. Ooh, I have not tried this brand before, but look at the flavor on that, you guys. It's red velvet. I love myself a good red velvet flavor. So this is gonna be great. This is, it looks like it has 11 grams of carbs. Sugars, it's 7 grams of sugar, but you subtract the fiber and it looks like about 6 grams of sugar. I like to try to stay away from sugar, so I don't know if this is something that I will necessarily eat. It does have 7 grams. Yep, 13 grams of protein, 7 grams of sugar. So I'm not so sure about this one. I probably will have to pass on it simply because of the sugar content. But for those of you who do like trying different energy bars, protein bars, this might be an option if you don't mind a little bit of sugar in it. Next up, I have it comes in a little fun zippy bag. I don't know what this is, but it's black, and I love black. I love wearing black. This looks like a fun, just like a regular t-shirt. Fitness. Oh no, it's a tank top. It's a regular fitness tank. And it feels more cottony than anything. It's more of like a muscle tank, it looks like. Let me look here. Free yoga fitness tank, $29. It is a company based on the comfort and mobility to all the athletes changing their lifestyles. Can be comfortable for gym activities to just plain everyday wear. So a nice black tank top. It looks like it's a little bit longer. So if you're comfortable wearing the more of a longer tank, this is an awesome, awesome length. I will try that one on later. I'm sure it's gonna fit perfectly. It has more of like the stretchy material, so it's gonna be a little loose, which I also enjoy. All right, so a tank top. And finally, it looks like I received a pair of pants to match. Gotta love it when you get a full outfit in a bag, in a box like this. Okay, so this is medium. Open these up. I can tell you right now, I love this color. It's black and it has some really fun peach pink pattern on it. And this is the TKO Knockout leggings. This value is $68 if you can't see it. So these leggings by itself have already paid for the box, which is so cool. I love that. So I have these leggings to go with this tank top. perfect match ensemble. Might wear these tonight for my workout. So cute. And then I got the stress ball, which this is going to work wonders for me. The energy drink, the bar, which I'm not too thrilled about, but hey, I'll give it to somebody who might want to try it. All of this for $49 for the month. Definitely, definitely, definitely well worth the money. I will leave a link with all of the items that I've received. You guys can check them out for yourself. And if you want to check out Hiit and try out a box for yourself, I will leave you a code you can use and you can get $5 off your first box, which is an awesome savings. And yeah, then you can leave a comment and let me know which item in this box would you love to try. And also check out the other Hiit videos that I have done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you guys all real soon. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.